Okay, so hello.
Alright, so you're alive.
Hello everyone.
Okay, let's wait a little bit more.
Yeah.
Let's see if
Should I also talk about that?
it's until the end of this month, until December 31st.
Oh yeah. Okay. Hi. Hi.
Let's adjust it.
Yeah. So let me just measure my book. Let me see if it opens correctly. Open. Good. 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 Open. Good. It's perfect. Do not mind this big book that I'm going to be sharing. Actually, mind it right now. Just don't. Okay, just.
Alright, let's get this going.
Okay. Hello, I'm Daniel, the young CEO of Smarty Dots, and this is Get Smarty with Daniel, where you and I do our daily educational routine activities together. So let's get smarty. So today we're gonna be looking at this amazing book I got for Christmas. It's called Guide to the Galaxy Know-It-All Binder. It includes 64 pages of the fact book, that means in the galaxy, 64-page activity book so you can do a lot of activities in space and stuff. And we have 50 fact cards. And this is fascinating facts about the solar system, the planets, spacecrafts, and exploration. You are new to Smarty Dots. This is our flexi-board. It's transparent and you can get it at smartydots.com. Plus, there is no ghosting. And it's stretched without trace. And here's again how I'm talking about transparent. This is no video. It goes right through. So now let's start with our Guide to the Galaxy Know-It-All Binder. And the best thing is that if you have this table, it fits perfectly. That's the best thing. So we're going to be reading in our contents the introduction to space exploration and our solar system. Then at the end of our session or episode, I'm going to be sharing some fact cards about what we read. So let's go to our page 4, Introduction to Space Exploration. When the sun begins to set and the moon and stars appear in the night sky, you are looking at part of space. The universe, or all of space, is an incredibly huge, wide open area that holds everything that can be measured or everything that can be or touched, whether they are stars, galaxies, planets, or even you. They are all part of the universe. So what I just read is pretty much, I'm not done, we have another page. So pretty much that means you're part of the universe. Pretty much you are inside of the universe. Okay. It wasn't until 1543 that Nicholas Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, suggested that Earth actually revolved around the sun, since the ancient Greek philosophers and astronomers believed that Earth was the center of the solar system. Copernicus, however, questioned this belief and began thinking the planets revolved around the sun. By the 1600s, an Italian astronomer, Galileo, convinced people that Copernicus' theory was correct and changed the way people thought about Earth and its relationship to the sun and other planets. Much has changed since the time of Copernicus and Galileo. It was only until 1961 that the first human was sent to space to orbit Earth. Today, explorers continue to venture to space, searching just waited to be explored. So, let me show you the pictures. As you can see, our picture here shows that's Nicholas Copernicus, and that's the galaxy, or we can say the Milky Way is that's the galaxy, I think, or that's actually the universe. So now let's move on to our solar system. Our solar system is about 4.6 billion years old. And it's made up of 8 planets. 4 planets are terrestrial and 4 are gas giants. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the Sun and have rocky, solid surface. So that means they're the terrestrial. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are farther away from the Sun and contain excessive gas, like Jupiter's Great Red Spot. That's full of gas. And it's because they don't have enough sun. It's not that much sun, so they have less thing and it makes more gas from the Earth, from space. Okay. Now, the sun is the center of our solar system and is so big its gravity keeps everything in the solar system circling around it. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to have life, Earth, and the sun core's temperature measures 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in 1610, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei looked at Saturn through a telescope and noticed strange objects which he described as arms on each side of the planet. In 1659, Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens realized the arms were actually Saturn's rings. Our solar system orbits around one star, but there are billions of stars in one galaxy, and there are maybe even hundreds of billions of galaxies in our universe. That's a lot of stars, and maybe a lot of suns. If there's billions of galaxies, galaxies hold the universe. Our solar system's inside of the galaxy. They're just little particles. So if there's billions of galaxies, how many suns do we have in our solar system? How many suns do we have in our universe? Who knows? Like billions, trillions, infinity maybe. Who knows? So here's our picture for this. There's the sun. Here's the sun. Here's Earth. That's the text. Here's Saturn. And those do not look like arms if they're not in Saturn, but okay. And I guess Galileo Galilei is in that rocket ship. So now we just made it to the end of the video. Let's go to our fact cards for today. So since we read 2 pages and that was actually amazing pages, instead of picking 1 fact card, we're picking 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Something amazing is these are all about the cards that we read today: Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, and our solar system. So let's start with Nicholas Copernicus. Born in 1473, died in 1543, but he died from space. Nicholas Copernicus was an astronomer who changed how people thought about the positioning of the sun, Earth, and other planets in space. He figured that the sun, not Earth as everyone then thought, was the center of the universe. This idea was not accepted at that time. But now people credit Copernicus for giving birth to modern astronomy and starting the scientific revolution. Here's the picture showing the sun, seeing how bright it is, and it's in the middle. And Earth is right there, the blue spot. Yeah, not that spot right there, but this spot right here. Okay. Next fact card. Galileo Galilei died born 1564, died 1642. Galileo was an Italian physicist and astronomer who who revolutionized science. But he didn't invent the telescope, as many people think. He did improve it, so we can take a closer look at the sky. Galileo was one of the first scientists to provide evidence of Nicholas Copernicus' theory that the sun is in the center of our solar system. He also discovered Jupiter's moons and that Earth's moon have craters. Here's the picture of him. This is him on a painting, and this is him in the statue of maybe the White House. I don't know. Who knows? Or whatever. I don't know. But here, let's move on to the solar system. Maybe I can research it. Maybe you guys can research it. This is our solar system. Oh, wait. I just realized something. I didn't show you did I show you the pictures of these yet? That's him, and this is Nicholas Copernicus with the white shirt on, with the ears. Okay, now let's move on. Now let's go to our solar system. Let's see. There are over 500 known stellar systems in the Milky Way galaxy. Now we know how many. There's 500 solar systems. Wow. This actually helps. Now it tells me my answer from earlier. How many? Now we know the answer. 500 solar systems. Let's move on.
Those are the ones that have been discovered.
Yeah, but there might be billions and trillions of more. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets. They're moons, comets, and space dust that all orbit one particular star. That star is our sun. The sun makes up 99.86% of the mass in the whole solar system. That means 8 planets, the moons, dwarf planets, comets, asteroids, and everything else in the solar system amount to only 0.14%. Here is our solar system in beautiful drawing. So,
Can you try it? Better?
So, hopefully everyone liked this. I'm gonna leave this card out. I'm gonna take these cards out and not spoil them, and put the cards under the bottom. Now let's move on. And out for our next episode, to our block of astronomy block, we're gonna be learning about, let's see, the sun, and after that Mercury, Venus, or the entire solar system, and also Earth's moon. But we're gonna be learning about the sun tomorrow. So everyone, go to smartydots.com and hope everyone has fun. Now we just finished beautiful galaxy science. It's my present, and it's also maybe who knows, maybe you'll get it for New Year's. This is actually just amazing. It tells us everything about the sun, everything, pretty much everything. So now everyone, we just finished our thing. We can go play now, but also just don't forget, if you're new, this is our flexi board. There's no ghosting. You can get it at smartydots.com. It's made in USA, and well, knowledge is power. Bye bye.